your potential market do not simply care about your products, your services, your opportunity. People care about what's in it for me. How can I benefit from your products, your services? How can I buy your product for transformation, a positive outcome, a positive result that can take me from point A to point C, that's making my life more easier, convenient, that's dialing the needle closer for me, getting results. People care simply about themselves, right? So this is not a negative thing. You simply have to solve bigger and better problems. How? Through documenting quality content for brand awareness, whereby people are getting to know, like, and trust you. People simply buy for those reasons. That is how you will start stepping up, raising your standard to your truest potential of how you can solve bigger and better problems when you simply understand your market. Your market is simply the younger version of you. Think about all those days where you were struggling to build websites, email automation responders, building an email list, and now you already know what your market struggles with, and now you are documenting content to solve that problem. Why? You have a product and a service that does exactly that.